Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and we're on Bannerman Road, one of my favourite streets in Western Springs, nestled between Kingsland and Grey Lynn. And number 2/20 Bannerman Road is such a surprise package, tucked down the rear of a private site. It's ready and waiting for you. Let's go and have a look. It has a super functional floor plan with 3 double bedrooms and the bathroom all coming off the hall, and the open plan living and dining at the other end of the home. The kitchen and bathroom have been recently modernised and are super stylish, and with new carpet and paint there really isn't much DIY to do. The gardens are landscaped and low maintenance, and the north-facing covered decking is a fantastic spot to spend your afternoons with a drink or enjoy just sitting in the sun here and watching the world go by. Off-street parking for multiple cars and the bonus of a workshop area under the house round off the package for us. The location is second to none, and with all of the amazing amenities of Morningside and Kingsland only a few minutes walk away, not to mention Eden Park on game day. Transport links are close by and motorway connections mean it is a short trip to the CBD. This home is going to appeal to first-time buyers, downsizers and investors alike, and it is firmly at the more affordable end of the spectrum when you're buying on the city fringe. Make sure you come along on the weekend, we know it's going to be popular and we look forward to showing you through.